Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss this problem from the latest Codeforces round 647, problem A, Johnny and Asian Computer. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it, and if you like these explanations, please hit the like button. So let's move on to the question now. You can read the question statement, but in simple terms it states that you are given two integers a and b, and you have to do some operations to convert a into b, and the operations will be you can multiply the number a with 2, 4 and 8, or you can divide it by 2, 4 and 8 if it is divisible by 2, 4 and 8 and so on. So you have to find out the minimum number of steps required, and if it can't be reached you have to return -1. So that's the question. Now move on to a drawing board to make it more clear. Okay, so you can either move from A till B or you can go from B to A, because both operations are available. You can multiply it or divide it. So we will go down the hill because it will be easier for us. So we can go from 36 to 3 because we can easily divide it, and division is simpler. So what we can do here is, now we want to convert 96 into 3. So what we can do here is, we will first check whether when we are dividing 96 by any of the number 8, 4 and 2, we will keep on dividing it till we reach this number. So it means that when we want to reach from this number to this number, all the multiples, or like if we divide 96 by 3, the number will be a multiple of 2, 4 and 8. Why? Because let's assume this number. If 75 divided by 5 is 15, and we can either multiply with 2, 4 and 8 or divide by 2, 4 and 8. How we can divide 75 and we can reach 5? Because we can only form numbers which are 15. We can have to find out the minimum number of numbers we are required, such that the mixture of 2, 4 and 8 will form this number. So that's the main trick. Let's take this example and we will divide it 96 by 3 and the answer will be 32. Now as you can see, we will first check 32 can we reach with these numbers. So because we want to do it in minimum number of steps, we will first divide it by 8, and we will keep on dividing with by 8 till we cannot divide any further, or if it is not divisible by 8. So we will check whether 32 is divisible by 8. Yes. So we will divide it by 8, increment our count to 1 and make it 4. Now whether 32 is still divisible by 8? No. So we will check whether it is divisible by 4. Yes. So we will increment our count and divide 4 by 4 and the number will be 1. Whether it is divisible by 4 more, it is divisible by 2 more? No. So the answer, when we reach down till 1, we will stop and then we will output our count. Same we will do with this. We will divide the larger number with the smaller number, and then we will keep on dividing it by 8 and then 4 and then 2, so that we will reach 1 and we will increment our count at each step. I hope you understand the logic. Let's move on to the code now. We can take input of a and b, and then if a and b are same, we can just return 0 because they are same. No steps are required. Now if a is greater than b, we will swap them such that a is always smaller than b. Okay, we are ensuring that a is smaller than b always. Then what we can do here is, we will check whether b mod a is not equal to 0. It means that b is the greater one among the a, and if it is not divisible by a, how we can actually go from a till b, because they are not divisible by either. So we just return -1. Else they are divisible by, then we will store the answer of n being this number, which is after dividing 96 by 3, this is the number. If it is divisible, then we will put n equal to b divided by it. Then the total, we will initialize total equal to 0. Then we will do a while loop till n, which is this number, is divisible by 8. We will keep on dividing it by 8 and increment the total, and we will do it for 4 and do it for 2. After that, the answer at the output should be equal to 1, as I've told you. If the output is not equal to 1, we will output -1. Else, if it's equal to 1, then we'll return total. Because let's say we have divided, and they are equally divided 75 by 5, it's equal to 15. We will divide it by 8, 4 and 2, and nothing will happen. It will not divide by any of the number, and the output at the answer of n will not change, and it will turn out to be 15. So it means that the number cannot be divisible by all these numbers, and thus we'll output -1. I hope you understand the logic as well as the code. If you still have any doubts, please mention down. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.